The Washington State Supreme Court upheld a 7% capital gains tax. It was enacted in 2021, upheld recently. The tax applies to individuals with capital gains of more than $250,000. Well, Fisher Investments, whose CEO, Ken Fisher, on this program as a guest, he's moving his company headquarters from Washington State, and guess where he's going? He's going to Texas. Jason Rantz with us now. Is this just the beginning of businesses fleeing Seattle, Washington State?
It probably is, and it's not really even just businesses. It's probably just wealthy Washingtonians. This ruling by the state Supreme Court is laughably ridiculous, and they don't even hide it. So under Washington state law, an income tax is unconstitutional. A property tax is unconstitutional in this context. And what's weird is that the IRS and 49 other states consider a capital gains tax an income tax. But in Washington, with our Supreme Court, they wrote in their decision the reason why they decided to move in this direction was basically that we have an upside-down tax system that disproportionately burdens the BIPOC community, and that we have too many wealthy white people.
Okay.
They did not rule on the law. When you read this decision, it reads like a press release coming from the Democrat Party. And the big issue, as Ken Fisher pointed out in his statement, was that it's not even just about this. It's about what's to come. What's next? The Washington State Legislature has been talking about a wealth tax for the last year and a half.
Yeah.
And that's likely what they're going to try to do next.
He's moving. Can't blame him. Here's one bit for you. Crews are going to clean out homeless encampments in some Seattle neighborhoods. Okay, got that. What are they going to do with these people? Where are they going?
So we do have shelter space available. The problem is most of the folks who are homeless just refuse to accept it, and then they just go on to another encampment. And unfortunately, our policies, particularly in the Seattle area, have no teeth. To your point, if they don't accept them, they just go somewhere else. So where are they going to go? Wherever it is they want. They set up camp there for the next several months until inevitably that one gets cleared. There was an incident yesterday that they were clearing the trash near a homeless encampment. They found a dead body that was almost fully decomposed, according to the police. So this tells you exactly how dire the situation is. And still, we have lawmakers who refuse to get serious about this until they can basically guarantee that these folks will get a studio apartment somewhere. Other than that, they're just not taking this seriously.
How much of Seattle is occupied by the homeless? I mean, is it just a very small group of neighborhoods, or is it more broadly spread out?
It is more broadly spread out. Sometimes you'll have to go looking for it because of where they locate themselves, usually under bridges or deep into the brush on the sides of freeways. But we've certainly seen parts of neighborhoods almost completely overrun by homeless. The issue has gotten visibly a little bit better in the downtown area. But again, they're not going anywhere. They're just moving into another position. They're not going into housing. They're not going into shelter space. And so all we're doing is shuffling these people around without actually helping.
Yeah, I can see that. Thanks very much, Jason. All right, good stuff. Thank you very much. See you soon.